Okay, so I think rational pertaining to the rational and irrational numbers, I think we have already gone through some of the things over here. Last time I connected. The last class, can anyone tell me that last class we did on which date?
So last, it was on I guess 15th.
15th or
8th, 8th, 8th.
uh, 8th? On 8th we
Yes.
have the last class. Seriously?
So
8th of.
let me.
I don't think so. It is on 8th, I think.
Um,
Because last week I was not there, that I know. So, yeah, either it is on 7th or either it is on 8th. Let me check.
Sir, I guess it's on 8th, as it is Friday on 8th.
Types of a triangles with the Heron's formula. Heron's formula, I think we did na already.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we did last irrational numbers. If in
Irrational numbers. Okay, okay. Okay, we also did these things also. Okay, find rational numbers between two numbers. Okay, irrational numbers is also there. Okay, and p upon q का formation भी हमने देख लिया था. Okay, which is also good.
was on September 10th.
Decimal. Okay, okay, 1 by 3. Okay, so September 10th we have did our classes, and now after 10 days we are having our classes. Okay, so
Yes.
okay, fine, yeah. Okay, so now we will cover these things. Okay, so I think first thing first. Okay, first of all we'll revise such things and then we will start. So uh, you have to convert first of all the irrational number into the rational number. I mean, sorry, express the following in the form of p upon q. First of all we will cover such things over here. Okay, so there is a number, uh, 1.27. There is a number 1.27 bar, and you have to in the form of convert this number in the form of p upon q. Please convert this number in the form of p upon q. Have you know, I mean, did you know how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
come on, hurry up. Mridula, what about you? You know the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Sir, is it 26 upon 99?
You're telling 26 upon 99. Hmm.
So
1.27 in the form of p upon q. Okay, no, this is the wrong answer.
Sir, I got the answer as Sorry, sir. One second. One second. I have the last thing to do.
Mm-hmm. Mridula, what about you?
Just a second.
Okay, fine, guys. See, time is up
Sir,
as of now. Like,
sir,
let's
can I?
jump up into the discussion. See, as of
Excuse me,
now,
sir.
yes.
Sir, I got it like 14 by 11, sir.
Yeah, 14 by 11 is the right answer. So see, as of now, let x is equals to 1.272727 like so, isn't it? Now how many digits are repeating over here? Two digits are repeating. So we have to multiply this equation number 1 from what? 100. So this 100x will become, that is 1.27272727 and so on, which is second, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe. Now subtract second equation from the first equation. So this
Yes,
will
sir.
be is equals to 1.272727. Okay. So that will be what? If this will be positive, this will be positive, this will be positive, this will be positive. So this will become negative and this also will become negative. Okay. So this will become 99x and this will become 126.00, because this whole part get cancelled, isn't it? So what we are getting? We are getting basically 126 upon 99. Now after subtracting this 127 upon 99, what exactly that we are getting? 11. Cut it from which table? 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, isn't it? Then again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So ultimately our answer is 14 upon 11. If you divide 14 upon 11, so you will get 1.27, which is the correct answer. Okay, so this is one of the thing which we are getting. Okay, and last time also I discussed the same thing over here. Okay, in the form of conversion of this non-terminating repeating decimal in the presentation of p upon q format. Okay, now we are moving ahead and now we are heading toward the next thing, which is known as a successive magnification. So what is successive magnification? Now let us see what is, because in exam generally these type of question will also come. Okay, now what do you mean by successive magnification? See, so what do you mean by the successive magnification? So successive magnification indirectly means, for example, if I want to represent 2.134 on a number line, on a number line, that how will I represent these things? Okay, so first of all, what I need to do now, we need to understand that this number is a positive number or a negative number. So this number is a positive number, and the domain range for this number is basically from where? From 2 to 3, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe. Because between 2 to
Yes, sir.
somewhere between this number, somewhere between 2 to 3, the 2.134 will lie over here, isn't it? If somewhere between 2 to 3 this number will lie, so what we will do, we will simply write it like this: 2.0 and 3.0, and then we divide this segment into 10 segments. So it is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5 and so on until 3.0. Okay, so this is basically 2.1 basically. Okay, so how we will proceed then? How we will proceed, that we will see now. Take out this number from here, 2.1 to 2.2. So this is basically now 2.1 and this is basically 2.2. So this is 2.10 and this is 2.20. So this will become now what? This will become 2.11, 2.12, 2.13, 2.14 and so on. Okay, this will move like this. Now after achieving 2.1, what will be our next target? Our next target is basically 2.13 over here. Okay, so 2.13 means we are landing, or we are taking which number in the next category now? 2.13, so 2.14. Are you getting my point? Mridul, are you here in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, everyone please turn on your camera, guys. 2.13, 2.14, so this will become 2.130, 2.131, 2.132 and so on, whatever it may be. So कहाँ तक जाना है हमको? 2.134. So what this will become?
2.134.
So this is basically 2.134.
134.
So first of all, this is what, this is the stage number 1. This is the stage number 1. Then this is basically what, this is a stage number 2, and this is basically what, this is the stage number 3. That's what we are having over here, isn't it? So basically we are landing up to 2.134 over here. Are you getting my point, what I'm saying? Yes, no, maybe. So this is known as what? This is known as a successive magnification. Okay, so this type of question will come in your examination, and they will generally give you the number up to 3 decimal places. So up to 3 decimal places you have to act and react over here. Okay, yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, yeah. Now proceeding ahead, the next topic that we will cover, and that is known as the rationalization. Okay, now what do you mean by the rationalization? We will understand first of all. Okay, just 1 minute. Rationalization. See, what do you mean by rationalization? Rationalization indirectly means, for example, 1 minute, guys. See, for example, if I'm writing any number, okay, and if I want to rationalize the same number, that rationalization indirectly means it has a relation with the under root terms. It has a direct relation with the under root term. Now what do you mean by the under root term? For example, this is under root 2 upon under root 3. Okay, and if I want to rationalize this number, then you have to attack on the denominator. If you want to attack on the denominator, then this will become, ultimately become under root 3 by 3. That whatever the denominator is there, you just need to multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Now whatever you are getting is basically in the form of under root 2 by 3, and this is under root 3. Under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 is basically under root 3. So this is under root 6 upon under root 3, and that will be our answer over here. Okay, this is one of the thing over here. The concept number 1 is this. What do you mean by the concept number 2? If you have a changes in the signature of the under root, for example, if you are having 7 upon under root 5, this is the second category, and third category is 3 upon 2 minus under root 5. If you are having a number like this, so this is what, under root 5 under root 5. So this will become 7 under root 5 upon 5. That will be our required answer. Here also what I'm doing, I'm just simply taking the denominator and then just simply multiplying and divide this denominator and numerator by the same number. Secondly, if this type of category will appear over here, okay, so what you need to do, you need to change the signature over here. Okay, So this will become 2 plus under root 5, and this will become 2 plus under root 5. So this will become 3 multiplied by 2 plus under root 5, and this will become the case of a plus b, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, if this is the case of a plus b and a minus b, then what exactly this will become? So this will become basically a square minus b square. So this is 4 minus 5. So this is 6 plus 3 under root 5 whole upon minus 1. So this will be the final answer, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
here are basically some of the things in the case of rationalization which you need to take care of. This is what we called as rationalization. Okay, and this you have to practice, guys. Everyone, yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will give you some of the things for the rationalization. Okay, please do some of the questions. The first question is 5 plus under root 7, 2 plus under root 5. And second question is 5 plus under root 5, 5 minus under root 5. Please do this.
So you have written 2 plus root 5?
2, no, this is 5. 5 plus root 5.
First.
Yeah, 2 plus root 5. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, you got the answer.
So for second one, is it 20?
mm, Second one. So what about the first one, first of all?
So first one I am solving.
Okay, yeah, second one is 20, correct answer. What about the first one? Come on, guys, please hurry up. गाइस प्लीज़ टाइम अप, ठीक है? प्लीज़ प्लीज़ लुक इनटू द स्क्रीन गाइस। ओके, इतना इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए, बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन हैज़ इट्स ओन टर्न अराउंड टाइम। उस टर्न अराउंड टाइम से अगर आपको ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है, दैट मीन्स या तो आपकी प्रैक्टिस में लैग हो रहा है, या तो फिर कुछ और भी इशू हो रहा है। ओके, सो दीज टाइप ऑफ अ थिंग्स शुड नॉट हैपन गाइस। ओके,
Sir, sir, I wasn't able to solve the second one, but then the answer for the first one I got it like 10 plus 5 root 5 plus 2 root 7 plus root 35.
yeah, exactly. Okay, so basically it's a binomial to binomial multiplication. Binomial to binomial multiplication means what? सबसे पहले 5 इस पूरे ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, उसके बाद में अंडर रूट 7 गेट्स मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस होल ब्रैकेट। ओके, so basically in this way we are doing the question. So it is 5 multiplied by 2 plus under root 5, then it is under root 7 which is multiplied by again 2 plus under root 5. Getting the point? So what exactly it is? Now again 5 is multiplied through this thing, under root 7 is multiplied through this and through this. So this is basically 10 plus 5 under root 5 plus 2 under root 7 plus under root 5 sevens are 35. This will be the answer. Getting the point? Yes, no, maybe. This
Yes.
is the final answer. Coming to the second point, so this we will considered as a plus b and a minus b. So what is the final equation that we are getting? That is a square minus b square. Okay, if a square minus b square is this thing, that is what is the value of a? 5. What is the value of b? That is basically under root 5.
Under root 5, sir.
Okay, now what is a square minus b square? That means a square means 5 square. What is b square? That is under root 5 whole square. So 5 square is 25 minus 5, which is equals to 20, and 20 will be the answer. Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer which
Yes,
we are having over here, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Okay, yes, fine. Yeah, so this is one of the thing again which we are getting over here. Now uh, again, the surds and indices that will also come over here. Okay, that we will cover. Okay, but before that there is one more another topic, which is basically I think a representation of any under root or any irrational number on a number line. Okay, what I'm telling, representation of any irrational number on a number line. So how will you do that? First of all, that we will look. Okay, so for example, as of now, if I'm telling that, for example, I want to make a 3 centimeter of line. Okay, if I want to make a 3 centimeter line on this, okay, on a number line, so then usually what I'll do, 1 2 3. Okay, so I put my pointer at 0 first of all, then I measure the line of, for example, this is how much, 3 centimeter, and then I'm marking it as AB, and I'm simply saying AB is equals to how much, 3 centimeter. Yes, no, maybe. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
this is the general thing which we are having over here. Okay, just a minute. Okay, fine, yeah. So now this is a very usual method of representation of an any rational number on a number line. Okay, but apart from this thing there are other thing as well. Now for example, if I want to represent 3.5 centimeter, okay, this is the first case, this is the second case. How will I represent the 3.5 centimeter? That can also easily be done over here, isn't it? That is 3.5 centimeter can also be
Yes,
represented.
sir.
But apart from that thing, for example, Shivika, okay, yeah, I think when you are turning on your microphone, Shivika, there is some issue. Now coming to the third one, so basically what exactly the third one is there. See, as of now what we are having now, we are having like I want to represent under root 3.5 on a number line. Okay, now how will you represent the under root 3.5 on a number line? So for that there is certain things which you need to follow over here. First of all, what they were telling, you will need to measure this thing, okay, automatically. But the thing is like, for example, as of now what you have to do, first of all you have to mark a line which is of which is measuring 3.5 centimeter, and this is step number 1. This is step number 1. So take 3.5 centimeter over here, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
After taking a 3.5 centimeter segment, okay, extend it by 1 centimeter and mark it as BC. Okay, so this is basically 1 centimeter. Okay, yes, no, maybe. Now the step number 2 is take midpoint of take the midpoint take the midpoint of AC, take the midpoint of AC, and that will become O over here. Okay, so what is the midpoint of AC? That will become O over here, isn't it? Now taking
Yes, sir.
taking O as a center, draw a semicircle like this. Taking O as a center, draw a semicircle like this, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe. Now
Yes, sir.
from B from B draw a perpendicular line like this and mark it a point D over here. Mark a point D over here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now if you can measure, okay, BD, if you can measure BD over here, okay, and if you are dropping taking B as a center, taking B as a center, if you are dropping one arc on AB line, then you are getting E as a here, then BE is basically under root 3.4 सेंटीमीटर. जो BC की लेंथ होगी ना, सॉरी BE की लेंथ होगी, वो अंडर रूट 3.4 सेंटीमीटर होगी. ठीक है, और अब आप बोल सकते हो कि हाँ अंडर रूट 3.4 इज इक्वल्स टू BE ओवर हियर. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट एवरीवन? यस, नो,
Sir.
maybe. ओके, एवरीवन इज गेटिंग व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर. सबसे पहले क्या करना है, देन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप एंड
Sir.
सो ऑन. So this is how we are drawing the under root things, okay, like under root 4, under root 4.1, under root 4.2, and so on a number line. So these are the certain procedures which we are following over here, isn't it? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now coming to the next topic, and that is basically the surds and the indices. Acha, one more announcement is there. Now onwards I'm posting all the my lectures, okay, on my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, because from that the monitoring can easily be done, that who is watching the lecture and who is not watching the lecture. So for example, if Mridula logged in from his ID, okay, and if she is watching the lecture, then I came to know that she has watched my lecture or not. For example, today Harshita is absent and Harshita is watching the lecture, then I came to know that how much content she is watching, when she is watching, whether she has watched the lecture in a proper manner or not. He used the speed 1x, 2x, or 4x, whether she is using the seek bar or not. So all the monitoring activity can easily be done through a YouTube channel, okay. And it is very also easy to understand YouTube as well, because you might have seen some other videos also on the YouTube, okay. So YouTube is very easy to use interface nowadays, okay. Are you getting my point? So at the end of the lecture, okay, you will get a YouTube link now, okay, and you have a dedicated section with a particular date, okay. So what has been taught in the lecture, along with date, time, chapter name, number, all the things now you will get on my YouTube channel itself, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now coming to the surds and indices now. Now, what do you mean by the surds and indices, guys? See, as of now, there are certain things, first of all, which you need to see. So, as of now, we just saw the rational or irrational numbers, and in that, we also saw the under root category of things also. So, first of all, let us understand some properties of under root. Like, अगर मैं लिख लेता हूँ, for example, if I am writing under root a b, then it is basically under root a into under root b. मैं इसको ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ, ठीक है ना? Secondly, the second property is basically, for example, if I am writing under root a upon under root b, then indirectly I am writing under root a upon under root b, okay, which can be easily written like this. The third thing which I am writing over here is basically, that is under root a plus under root b under root a minus under root b. So this is a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. So this is the property. Okay, the fourth property or the fourth thing which we are getting over here is basically all this comes now under the properties only. Okay, like if I'm writing a plus under root b, a plus under root b, and a minus under root b. Okay, so this is nothing but a square minus, again the fifth thing, that is under root a into under root b is equals to under root a, sorry, under root c plus under root d. That means it is what? It is basically under root ac plus under root ad plus under root bc plus under root bd. Getting the point? बेसिकली आप कर क्या रहे हो, आप बस यहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टी लगा रहे हो, इस पूरे को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो, then you are multiplying under root b through all this bracket, and then you are finally getting the result. So we are doing simply the algebraic method only. The next thing is basically under root a and under root b whole square. What is under root a and under root b whole square? That is a plus 2 under root ab plus b square. Okay, so sorry, not b square, this is b. So this is the sixth property that we are having so far, isn't it? Now based on this, what you need to do now, there are some different question, different set of a question, okay, on which you need to focus on. Getting the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Now coming to the next topic, which is known as the laws of exponents, okay, which is the continuation part of basically the surds and indices only. Okay, so now we are having what? Now we are having the laws of exponents. Laws of exponents are saying some interesting property, like a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Guys, have you saw these properties before as well, or this is very first time when you are looking into this property?
Sir, I have already gone through.
Solve sums of this.
Okay, Varshita.
I,
Mridula, what about you?
I studied this in 8th grade.
Okay, okay. So this is some of the properties which we are having over here. Moreover, 1 upon a to the power m is equals to a to the पावर माइनस m. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कोई पावर लगी हुई है और वो उसका इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंटेशन आ रहा है, इसका मतलब हम उसको न्यूमरेटर में लेके जा सकते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड उसकी पावर का सिग्नेचर चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर वो पॉजिटिव है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. इज गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, so this is one of the thing again which you are getting over here. Okay. Hmm. Fine, yeah. Sixth property, anything raised to the power 0, anything raised to the power 0 will equals to what? 1. वो किसके बराबर हो जाएगी? वो 1 के बराबर हो जाएगा. So this is also one of the next property which we are having over here, isn't it? Under root of a, that means a की पावर में क्या बैठा हुआ है? 1/2. क्यूब रूट ऑफ a, दैट मीन्स a की पावर में कौन बैठा हुआ है? 1/3 एंड सो ऑन. गाइस, ये बात आ रही है सबको समझ में? ये अंडर रूट का
Yes.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसे लिखा हमने? ठीक है, सो दिस
Yes.
इज
Yes,
ऑल्सो one of the important thing that you are having as of now. Okay, and I'm giving you some of the dummy questions. Okay, and just please give me the solution for this. It is 2 to the power 2/3 multiplied by 2 to the power 1/3. What is the answer for the first one? Second one is 3 to the power 1/5 whole to the power 4. What is the answer? Just please give me the answer of these two. Just a minute, I'm coming. Hello. Hello.
so the first one is 2.
Hello. Yeah, yes. Please tell me.
Sir, I got,
Mm-hmm.
sir, the first one is 2, and the second I got is 3 raised to power 4 upon 5.
Okay, so Shavika is saying some of the answers. What about Mridula and Varshita? What about Mridula and Varshita? It is 2 to the
The
power
second sir.
2/3 plus 1/3. So this will be 2 to the power 3/3, which is ultimately 2 to the power 1, isn't it?
Sir,
Yes.
it's sir. I got the answer is 2, sir.
Then next 3 to the power 4/5, because this both get multiplied with each other. 1/5 multiplied by 4, so it is 3 to the power 4/5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Mridula, I'm
Yes,
seeing
sir.
with less response from your side. So, I mean, were you there in the class or you were solving the sums or what you are doing?
I was a bit stuck on the first one, but
So, Mridula, if you're stuck in the first question, then why didn't you tell that, sir, I'm not getting or I'm stuck in the first question or something like that?
I was actually trying to figure it out. But I got the second question as 3 raised to 4 by 5.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, Mridula, where did you stuck in the question number one?
So I couldn't get like the 2
See,
by.
this is the property basically. Okay, the property says that it is having what? The property says that it is having a to the power it is the property saying a to the power m multiplied by a to the power m. So this the property is saying a to the power m plus n. This is the property, isn't it? So if this is the property, then m belongs to this number, n belongs to this number, and a belongs to the 2, because 2 is there as a common base over here. So you need to simply add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, isn't it? So if you are adding 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, so you are getting 3 by 3 as the answer, isn't it? Or still you are having the doubt that how, sir, you are getting 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 as 3 by 3? Do you also have a doubt in this?
No, sir. No, sir.
You know how to take the LCM and then how to multiply this, and then you are getting this answer. You know this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, now finally we are reaching to the result as 2 to the power 3 by 3 means 2 to the power, isn't it? So you have to mention this thing in your examination as well, that by using which property you ultimately get this result, isn't it? Similarly, you have to also write the formula over here, that by using which property you are getting this result, like a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n, like this, isn't it? Then only you are getting these type of results and such things over here. Okay, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically from my side, okay, the certs and indices in this chapter, okay, is finished as of now. Okay, now the only thing which you are left with is the practice part. Okay, and just please tell me that have you gone through the NCRT notes which I have provided?
Yes, sir.
Have you already dispatched the NCRT solution for this one? I hope at the on the day one only I provided all the necessary things.
Yes, sir.
So you posted them, sir.
Okay, fine, yeah.
Sir.
Okay, so the comparison of asserts and dices, their multiplication, division, and all the things, okay, we have covered so far, okay, in this thing. Now the only thing that we are left with is basically the the practice part. Okay, so as far as your portion is concerned, Shivika, okay, there are multiple questions which I can see in your booklet. So first of all, what you need to do now, you need to just practice it once. If you stuck in
Sir,
any of
I
the
have
solved
solved.
example or any of the unsolved example also, then just please mark it properly and post it on the WhatsApp group, so then I can solve it then and there itself.
Sir, I solved all the questions and I even sent it to you.
No, so do you have any doubts in this chapter number 1?
No, sir.
You don't have any doubts. Okay, fine then. Yeah. So tomorrow then we will start with some of the next chapter. We might start from the mensuration also. Okay, mensuration or volume, surface area, and volumes might be. Okay, because now in this manner we have to cover certain things one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine then, all of you. Yeah. Apart
Thank
from
you.
this thing, if you have any doubts or any concern, then just please do let me know, guys. If you want to ask something.
Sir, actually, my exams are coming up, and I need kind of like a revision session for it.
Mm-hmm. See,
So is it
revision.
fine if we have it like?
So revision means actually what exactly the help that you need, Harshita. First of all, tell me. For example, if there are 5 chapter, so you want to revise all the 5 chapter with me, like that you are saying, or you are having some doubts in those 5 chapters. You are taking the doubts and then you are posting on the WhatsApp group, and then we will discuss those doubts. What do you want?
Sir, doubts in sense like I have few doubt sums like those I just want to clear it out, sir.